Every day in America, people spend money without even thinking: a $7 latte, a $10 fast food meal, or an Amazon purchase that shows up 2 days later. At the end of the month, they look at their bank account and wonder, where did it all go? It feels like money slips through your fingers before you even notice. We're taught to think wealth comes from a big jackpot, winning the lottery, landing a huge inheritance, or earning a massive salary. But the truth, real wealth is built quietly, from small daily habits stacked over time. It's not flashy, but it works. Society distracts us with coupon cutting or endless hustle. Meanwhile, banks and credit card companies quietly profit from our mistakes. The system is designed to keep you busy, but not wealthy. Here's the tough truth: your $10 daily choice coffee, snacks, or savings can decide whether you retire, broke, or financially free. That little decision matters more than you think. Isn't it frustrating? You're working hard, paying bills, maybe even earning a decent income, but it still feels like you're running on a treadmill. Every paycheck comes in, and every paycheck goes right out. If nothing changes, time becomes your enemy. 10 years from now, the regret won't just be about money, it'll be about lost freedom, missed choices, and the peace of mind you could have had. That's why we're diving into I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. This book breaks down money in a way that's simple, practical, and life-changing. Ramit isn't just another financial guru, he's helped millions see money differently, not through boring spreadsheets, but through real, practical steps. For anyone drowning in debt, loans, or lifestyle pressure, this book is a wake-up call to finally start living a rich life on your terms. What if I told you $10 a day could make you rich, literally? Not lottery rich, but freedom rich. The kind where your money works harder than you do? Hey everyone, I'm Ethan, your guide here at Ethan's Money Library, building wealth one book at a time. Hit subscribe so you never miss strategies that make personal finance simple and life-changing. Quick note, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. In today's video, we'll break down Ramit Sethi's book, I Will Teach You to Be Rich. You'll see how $10 a day turns into hundreds of thousands of dollars, how to avoid common traps, and how to design your own rich life. Stick with MIT might just change how you see money forever. Wealth doesn't start with millions, it starts small. Just $10 a day, set aside with purpose, can completely change your future. It's not really about coffee or snacks, it's about making a choice that your future self will thank you for. If you invest that $10 every day, the math gets exciting. At a 7% return, over 40 years, it grows into more than $365,000. And if you double it to $20 a day, that snowballs into over $730,000, enough to change anyone's life. These aren't just numbers on a screen. That money can mean owning your home outright, retiring earlier than you imagined, or never stressing over a hospital bill again. It's freedom, security, and peace of mind wrapped into one. But here's the trap. Most people spend $10 without thinking. Fast food, streaming, random gadgets, it slips away. The mistake is believing small money doesn't matter. In reality, it's the only thing that builds wealth. Think of wealth like a snowball rolling down a mountain. Start early, keep it rolling, and over time, it grows into something massive. The trick isn't speed, it's consistency. So remember this, the power of $10 isn't small, it's everything. Small, steady steps are what create massive change. The sooner you start, the sooner your snowball begins to roll. Automation is freedom. Instead of stressing over saving every month, you let the system do the work for you. No more forgetting, no more guilt. Your money is building wealth without you even lifting a finger. Here's the secret. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investments. It's like paying your future self first before anything else. That way, your priorities are always taken care of. Think about this. If just $300 leaves your account automatically every month, in 30 years, it can grow to nearly $360,000 at 7% return. That's your money working harder than you ever could alone. And all it takes is one simple setup. Imagine this. While you're asleep, your money is quietly multiplying. No stress on payday, no endless worries. Your system is doing the heavy lifting for you. That's real peace of mind. Here's the contrast. Manual saving depends on motivation. And, let's be honest, life gets in the way. You forget, or you spend it first. Automation removes that risk. It happens, whether you feel motivated or not. Think of it like this. It's a treadmill that runs on its own. You just hop on and let it carry you forward. The effort doesn't change, but the results keep coming. That's the beauty of automation. Most people think building wealth means cutting out every little joy, like your morning coffee. But that's not true. You don't have to feel guilty about what you love, you just need to spend smarter. The real secret is cutting back on what doesn't matter to you. Skip the stuff you don't care about, and suddenly you'll have more money for the things that truly light you up. By saving just 20 to 30% on the boring stuff, you can free up hundreds of dollars. That money can go straight into investments where it starts growing for your future. Imagine going out to dinner with friends, traveling when you want, and still watching your money grow. That's what guilt-free spending looks like. Here's the pitfall. Some people cut everything and end up miserable. Budgeting isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional with your money. Think of money like calories. If your diet was only broccoli, you'd give up fast. But balance lets you enjoy life while staying on track. Debt isn't just numbers on a bill, it's a weight on your future. Every dollar you send to interest is a dollar you'll never get back. Instead of building your future, you're paying for your past. Think about it. $10,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest costs you $2,000 a year just in interest. That's money you'll never see again, gone into thin air. It's like paying rent on chains that keep you stuck. But imagine if instead of losing money, you invested it. Those same payments could grow your wealth instead of shrinking it. Every dollar redirected into investments is a seed for your future. The trap is paying just the minimums. It feels safe, but it keeps you stuck. It's like treading water, working hard but never moving forward. That's how debt chains people for years. Don't believe the lie that debt is normal. It's not freedom, it's a cage. Freedom comes when your money works for you, not against you. The moment you break free, the future opens wide. Debt is like a hall you can't climb out if you keep digging. The faster you stop digging and start climbing, the sooner you'll find sunlight. And that's when wealth begins. Time is your superpower when it comes to money. The earlier you invest, the more your dollars multiply on their own. Think of it like giving your money extra years to grow strong. Compounding makes early investments explode in value. When you give money decades to grow, it works harder for you than you ever could. It's like planting a small seed that turns into a forest. Here's the math. If you start at 25 and put in $300 a month, you'll have around $1 million by 65. But if you wait until 35, you'll need to put in double just to catch up. That's the cost of waiting. The sooner you start, the sooner you can relax. Early investing gives you freedom, maybe to retire earlier, change careers, or travel whenever you want. That's real financial peace. But waiting feels safe, right? The problem is, every year you wait costs you years of growth. The trap is thinking you'll do it later, when later often never comes. It's like planting a tree. The best time to start was 20 years ago, but the second best time, it's today. So plant your financial tree now and let it grow strong. What does rich really mean to you? It's not just a big number in your bank account. It's about freedom, joy, and choice. Money is simply the tool to design the life you actually want. Defining your rich life means putting clarity before numbers. Is it saving $5,000 for a dream trip, $50,000 for a wedding, or $500,000 for retirement? Knowing the target gives every dollar a purpose. Your rich life might look different from anyone else's. Maybe it's picking your kids up from school every afternoon, or taking that yearly Europe trip. It's about what lights you up, not what others expect. The trap: chasing society's version of rich, big houses, luxury cars, endless stuff. None of that matters if it doesn't bring you joy. True wealth is personal, not a competition. Think of it like writing your own recipe. Instead of copying someone else's menu, you're choosing the ingredients that make your life meaningful. That's how you cook up a life that feels truly rich. At the end of the day, your rich life is yours to define. Don't let anyone else write that story for you. With clarity and purpose, every dollar becomes a brushstroke on the canvas of your best life. We often think more income means less stress, but sometimes it means more problems. As we earn more, it's easy to spend more without even noticing. The key is keeping that extra money from slipping away. Lifestyle creep happens when every raise turns into a nicer car, a bigger house, or endless shopping. You don't feel richer, you just have more bills. That cycle keeps people stuck no matter how much they make. Instead, imagine if you saved or invested each raise. That $10,000 raised today could grow into over $100,000 in 20 years. That's not just money, it's years of freedom you buy back. Think about it, extra income can buy you freedom years earlier, not just a fancier car payment. It's about creating choices, not collecting stuff. That's a real rich life. The danger is, many Americans earn more each year but stay broke. Why? Because their expenses grow just as fast as their income? It's like running on a treadmill that never stops. Lifestyle creep is like filling a bucket with holes. The more you pour in, the more leaks out. But if you patch those holes, every raise builds your wealth. That's how you turn more income into more freedom. So today, we saw how $10 a day, automated systems, conscious spending, debt elimination, investing early, and defining your rich life can truly transform your future. Wealth isn't about luck or income alone. It's about consistent choices and clarity on what matters to you. If this video gave you value, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. I'd love to hear from you. What does a rich life mean to you? Drop your thoughts in the comments so we can discuss. This is Ethan from Ethan's Money Library, Building Wealth, one book at a time. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, it's built every day. Start with $10 today, and your future self will thank you.